Hello, Faith Cooks welcomes you, dear viewers. Today's recipe is very small and you can say, but very delicious. These are the aubergines or the brinjals, which I have taken long ones and I have slit them into two parts. You can make the four also, but I like making two parts. Slit all, I have cleaned and with the stem with I have slit them into two parts. This is the turmeric or the haldi powder, coriander powder or the dhania powder, kasuri methi or the dry fenugreek leaves, and this is the garam masala powder. I have given the recipe of the two garam masalas. You can use either. Salt to taste. This is the asafoetida or the hing, red chili powder to taste. This is the zira or the cumin seed. This is the amchur powder or the dry mango powder. Now here comes the dry for the ingredients, masalas, seeds for the filling of the bangan. This is the methi or the fenugreek seeds, saunf or the fennel seeds. This is the kalonji or the nigella seeds. These three I have taken one spoon and I have crushed them. I did not blend them. I have crushed them into the mortar and the pestle. मैंने ये कूट लिया है दरदरा. This is the little bit of crushed ginger. Oh, sorry, garlic. A little bit of garlic. These are the green chilies and I have again slit them into into half like the bangan. Now we will start our recipe. There are many ways to prepare achari bangan. I will be sharing other recipes of it because this is outcome is very delicious. As I told you, I grinded the kalonji, methi and the nigella seeds and the kalonji, methi, saunf and the asafoetida or the hing I crushed together. Hing also, asafoetida also I crushed them with this. Now this is my bowl. I will take a separate bowl. I added the achari masala, salt to taste, dry mango powder or the amchur powder, little bit of red chili powder. If you are preparing for the kids recipe for the breakfast or for the lunch, then you have to add red chili or the green chilies less according to the quantity of the brinjal. अगर आप बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं ये तो आप रेड और ग्रीन चिली का ध्यान रखें. Here goes the garam masala powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, kasuri methi or the dry fenugreek leaves. First I am mixing them as they are in the dry form so that every lump should be there should be no lump, and then I am mixing 1 spoon of water to it, and then again I am mixing it well. Now we will take the small amount of the masala mix which I have prepared, achari masala, and I will fill in the center of the bangan and the green chili. We will make a layer of the masala into the center of the bangan, and then on both the sides we will apply the layer, and I will close like this, seal it, and same thing we will do with the green chilies, and then we will keep it separately. If you feel masala is too dry to stick on the brinjals and chilies, you can add little bit of water to it. It should not be flowy, but this much thick consistency means it should stick. So here are my filled up aubergines, bangan and the green chilies ready. Here in the pan I have taken olive oil, little bit of crushed garlic and little bit of zira or the cumin seed. I will saute it little. You can have these bangan for the achari bangan with the dal, rice, chapatis, parathas. Every time your kids and your full family and friends will love it. As the garlic will turn its color to pink or golden, then I will add the green chilies and the brinjals. As you can see, I have placed the brinjals side by side, not toppling each other. otherwise they will not be cooked properly. And the green chilies in the center or the separately, so then they will change the color. My gas is sim. My gas is sim, and now I will cover them. I covered them. Now it's the time to turn them. As you can see, they are very nicely done from this side, as you can see, and they will be quick. This is a quick recipe and they will be done in minutes. Whenever you are in a hurry, you want to make, you can make them, and then just turn them around and again cover them and cook. In a non-stick pan, you can cook them. I am covering them. So here is my yummy, delicious, as you can see, this is crispy outer and they are done, and I have taken out, plattered it out. This is extremely delicious dish, achari bangan. Hope you try it once, and every time you would like to prepare it. I have an Instagram page and a Facebook page also, Faith Cooks. If you have any queries regarding the recipes, you can ask there. And now I have 180 recipes, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. And hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Faith Cooks. Thank you.